How to cook langka with Tausi and Baby Corn. First things first, we heat oil in a pot. And then we saute garlic and onion. And then we add the langka or the unripe jackfruit. Next, we add enough water. We cover and let it cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we add 1/2 cup of oyster sauce and a small can of tausi or salted black beans, plus 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, plus cracked pepper, and some baby corn. We cover again and let it cook for a few more minutes. And then we add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We mix it well until it's fully dissolved. And lastly, we add sliced leeks. And we're done. Thank you for watching.